tax havens, do you really need to worry about offshore structures and hiding your money? No, no, no. Why? Because with an IRA, you don't pay tax. So it's essentially the best legal tax haven right here in the United States. So what's a tax haven? Tax haven is essentially a foreign jurisdiction that really doesn't have any local tax, like the Cayman Islands or Switzerland or other jurisdictions where there's no tax, right? So the concept is, hey, we're going to hide our money offshore and we'll never pay tax. The IRS will never know. Not a good idea. Number one, the IRS has super broad summons power. They're gonna find you, okay? They've done that. They've subpoenaed and summoned foreign banks like UBS and Credit Suisse going back all the way into the early 2000s and basically saying, hey, send us all your US account holders. If not, we're not gonna let you do business in the US. So guess what the banks do? They comply. They have no choice. So the IRS requires anyone that has more than $10,000 overseas to report it on their tax return through FBARs, FinCEN 114s, Form 8938. They're not messing around. So if you have money offshore and you're not reporting it, fix it fast. Okay, we're talking criminal penalties. Okay, no messing around. I'm a tax attorney. I can push some rules depending on boundaries in retirement accounts or partnership taxation. But when it comes to tax havens and non-reporting of foreign income, foreign assets, you do not want to mess around. So why am I doing this video? Well, the beauty of using an IRA or a Roth IRA specifically to make investments is it's your own tax shelter. You don't need to send the money to Switzerland or the Cayman Islands. You got all the money in the United States. You have the protection of the US economy, the US court system, and you're not paying tax, right? So if you make investments through a self-directed IRA or a self-directed Roth IRA in stocks or fixed income or cryptos or real estate or private equity or hedge funds or venture capital funds, shouldn't be any tax, right? So you don't need to send the money to Caymans or Switzerland. Now, yeah, you're probably saying, well, Adam, not all my money is in my IRA or 401k. Not all my savings are. I got you. But most of your savings should be in an IRA or 401k. Why? It's the most tax efficient way to save. Tax deferral, compounding returns. Your money grows, doubles every 8 years, assuming an 8% rate of return. That does not happen when you pay tax. So the whole point of this video is to say, hey, if you are one of these individuals that's always trying to circumvent taxes and minimize taxes and are thinking about tax havens, what you should be doing is focus on your retirement account, focusing on growing your self-directed IRA, your Roth IRA, your 401k, because that inherently is the best tax shelter, legal tax shelter you're gonna have, and you don't have to travel across the world to find it. It's right here and you can touch it and see it, get the statements. You don't have to worry about hiding and evading taxes from the IRS. So I've talked about this before. The retirement system's rigged in our favor. We're just not aware of it. Not enough of us are aware of it, but it's rigged in our favor. Why? Either getting a tax deduction for the contribution and your money's growing without tax, or if it's a Roth, money goes in after tax, but so long as you're over 59 and a half and the Roth's been open at least 5 years, it's all tax-free. Tax-free, 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 which, why is the money in Caymans? Why is the money in Switzerland? Tax-free, right? Tax-free? Well, the Roth IRA is tax-free. You gotta wait a little bit, right? But if you're patient, you trust the process, you start early, you're consistent, you will have more money legally in a retirement account and you don't have to ever worry about FBARs or 8938s or FinCEN 114s or evasions of tax. You can stay in the United States and watch your money grow. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to get back to you as quick as possible. So thanks again for watching.